Hey guys, this is Gadget Guru and welcome back for another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a cool product and it's called the Auxtron video doorbell. This video doorbell system is extremely easy to install, takes only 5 minutes to install and it fits right into your existing Peephole system. And anytime anybody rings a bell at your door, the indoor unit shows you who's standing outside of your door. So there you have it. You can see as soon as somebody clicked on the doorbell outside, you can see who's standing outside the door and it automatically clicks a photograph each time the bell was clicked. You can review these photos and take a look at even those people who came and rang your bell when you were not at home. And even if someone doesn't click the bell, you can simply press the menu button right in the center. If you want to see what's going on outside of your door, the camera will come up and it will show you who's standing outside the door. The outdoor unit comprises of a camera and the bell button and the LEDs. As soon as you click on the bell, the indoor unit is going to show you who's outside the door.